Okay, so today we're gonna be putting in this little ponytail real quick. I need to switch up my hair. Y'all, I have ordered this hair, like, I ordered this hair on April 9th. It is, what day is it? The 23rd. So I already put my hair up. It's just a little bun and bang. It's called Pretty Quick. Like I said, it's a bun and bang. The style is called Summer. Sarah, she looks like this. Hopefully y'all can see that. So I got her in a 1B. And so what you do is you just put your hair up in a ponytail, and we're just gonna pop her on real quick. I already washed my hair, put everything in it. So it comes in 2 pieces. It comes in, this is the bangs, this is the bun. So we're just going to, and this is by Outre. So if I can find it, I will link it below where I ordered it from. I do not recommend because they are kind of unprofessional. So when you open it up, here's the bangs here. It has these cute little, it has these little clippies. It has 3 little clippies. So I'm just gonna pull up, I'm gonna put in the bangs first. And let's see. So it looks like 2 clips are facing upwards and the top one is facing downward. So I'm going to put this up, tuck it in, and try to clip it. These things are so hard to clip. I've had one, well, my mom has had one of these, and I put one in for her, and these are so hard to keep clipped sometimes. Oh, there it went. I got one. So then we're gonna take, we got the top clip in, and then we're just gonna hook in bottom clip. That one's in, and the other bottom clip. Oh no! One more time, and they're in, sis. Okay. So then we're gonna take the bun. I'm just gonna cut that tag off. And so this one, it's a cute little small bun. It comes with, I don't know if you can see, there's a clip right here, and then there is a clip on this side as well. So I normally, if I put in a bun, I normally like to put them on the sides. I know you're supposed to put in the ponytail front to back, but I like to clip my bun in on the sides. I'm going to messy it up a little bit first, and that's how it looks so far. It's, ooh, it's cute. So I'm gonna pull out a couple curls on the side here. Let those curls hang like so. This is a really cute, easy, and I think I'm gonna clip the bangs to like one side probably. I'm just gonna play around with it, but look at that. That is so easy and cute. So you wanna make sure it's secure, so just grab some bobby pins. I'm gonna zoom in just a little bit. I'm gonna grab some bobby pins, and I'm just going to pin her in. Make sure those bobby pins are secure and covered up. I laid my edges already. I'm gonna do right here. I'm gonna pin right here. She is super cute. I really like this. And literally you can get her in within seconds. Look at that. So on the picture, her bangs are just coming straight down. Like I said, I think I'm gonna like pin them. I don't know how I wanna do it yet, but I'm gonna do a pin in the back as well. I didn't put a pin in the back yet. You wanna make sure, I think I'm gonna do 2 pins in the back, because you wanna make sure she is secure. I'm gonna do one more pin back in the back. So to put up my hair, I just used some sprit. I use my I use beeswax to slick up my hair, some sprits, super easy. So you guys, this is what it came out as. I just took a couple more bobby pins and kind of pinned it. It's like really like a couple minute style. Like I really like it. Nice and easy. I kind of like swoop these down to like an angle because I don't like the straight down look, if that makes sense. I don't like it. So I kind of just like tucked and pushed it over and kind of like angled it just a little bit. And yeah, you just want to make sure everything's secure. I really didn't put anything in it because you really don't need to. Just a little bit of shine spray. For the most part, I really like it. It says this bun comes in a 1, a 1B, a 2, a 4, an S 1B30, and then it says it comes in a burgundy and then 2T 130. So I'm looking on this. I'm pretty sure you can get this if Outre has a website. I'm pretty sure you can get that on their website. They also say share how you wear pretty quick by tagging pretty quick hair, and this is called Pretty Quick. So they probably have some type of site that you can get it from. I just ordered it from this website and it took forever, and they were very rude when I, you know, contacted them to see where my stuff was. But this was just a little quick, easy look to get out for you guys. I was itching to change my hair. I was just ready to change my hair real quick because, yeah, I just was. And I'm sure you can wear this little curly thing by itself. I already pinned it in. I probably should have did that first, but I wanted to kind of hide the bangs with, hide the little line of the bangs with the bun. So I think it's best to put in the bangs first, but if you get tired of the bangs, you could probably just put in the curly ponytail, or the curly bun, I'm sorry, and then just wear the curly bun straight up. So that would be cute too, and I probably will be doing that. The only thing is, like, when the hair is touching your forehead, it's kind of itchy, so I might get tired, and in a couple days I will probably end up, like I said, taking these bangs off. They are cute though. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you want to see more hair videos. I said I would be doing more videos. I just haven't gotten all my stuff yet to be able to do hair videos. So all the hair salons are closed. So I've been at home. You know, I work in a hair salon, so I've been at home, you know, just doing YouTube videos for you guys. So, and you guys have been so supportive, and I just want to take the time to thank you guys so much for being so supportive and you know, watching my videos on my Instagram and stuff like that. So make sure you guys start interacting more. Make sure you subscribe. I really appreciate you guys. Help me reach 2K. I'm getting there. We're slowly but surely getting there, but I know you guys are watching, and I know you guys are enjoying my videos. So make sure you subscribe. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it in this video. I will see you guys in my next one.